I don't really understand why getting funded has become a challenge for over 99% of traders. It didn't even exist a few years ago. And when people reach out to us, they always ask this question that, okay, what you're offering, does it work on prop firms? Does it work on challenges? And I would say 98 to 99% of the questions are exactly the same about getting funded. So we were thinking about it. What if we can do the shortcut? Because we know a lot of people are not patient, and a lot of people don't want to get into that learning curve, learn how to trade, go through like multiple trials and errors, blow their accounts. They don't want to do that anymore, especially in 2023 that everything has developed. So why just wasting your time sitting behind the charts 24/7 and see what opportunity wants to come to you? So it's, in my opinion, it's a waste of time. So that's why we are super glad to develop an indicator that shows you when to buy and sell. And that's going to be different because I'm going to verify the results for you right now live in my computer. I'm going to take you to my computer right now so you can see the screen as well, but I'm going to install it on one of the accounts that we've tested it on, so you know exactly how it works and when it tells you to buy and when it tells you to sell. And the good thing is that it works on any time frame, on any pair. There's no specific time frame for that. There's no specific pair. You can put it on whatever you want. However, the best settings will also be given to you by default, but the thing is that there is no limit to them. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. These signals are non-repaint, so it means that they are not duplicated, they are unique, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So let's hop on my computer. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm on the charts right now. I removed the indicator because, as I said, I'm going to show you everything from A to Z, from installing the indicator all the way to showing you how the signals work exactly. And as I said, you can put it on demo account, on a live account, it doesn't really matter. It's an indicator, it's a buy and sell signal. And I'm going to show you the accuracy as well. So the indicator is called All-Fundy Incubator. And it looks like this. Is just like an EA that you put it on your account, and super easy to install. There are 5 tabs. You don't have to deal with them, but I'm going to show you how they work. So when you go here and you already have your license, obviously, you click OK, and you see that you see such thing. If your background is white, then you probably want to change some settings because you are not able to see the signal. So I go to All-Fundy Incubator properties, I go to visual colors, and then I change these colors to black, so I'm able to see exactly what's going on. If your background is black, then you put it on white, so black. So as you can see guys, now I'm able to see the signals. So this example is on GBP JPY on 15-minute time frame. This is our recommended time frame, 15 minutes, because the signals are cleaner. Because if you go for 1 minute, there's so many signals, and you don't want to take every single one of them, right? So you go here, and there's also some settings for currencies and some settings for indices that will give you everything when you grab your license, but I'm going to change them very quickly. So this is what we've actually experienced, that Halfling should be at 100 and this one should be at 3. I'm going to explain everything later, not in this video. And as you can see, everything changed. So these are the best settings. You can adjust them if you want to, but we already given you the best settings by default. So look at this guys, I've literally set it up in front of you, and these are the signals that this indicator gave us. Look at this, and this is GBP JPY. It's been consolidating for so long, but look at this. It goes from here. If it gives you a signal, you can turn on the alarm as well. So whenever it gives you a signal, you can hop on your computer, take the sell or take the buy, and take it all the way to the middle line here. So let's say that I take this one, it's 34 pip, a stop loss, and 61 pips TP. So it's 1 to 2. This is one profitable trade. Look at this. And it's way better to trade according to the trend, obviously, but look at the accuracy of the signals, that how it reaches the middle line, or from this red line to the second one right here. So it's pretty cool. You can put it on any pair this is GBP JPY. I can put it on Euro USD if I want to. Let me just delete this one here. So I'm going to do it one more time and show you exactly what it was. But before that, GBP JPY, look at this. If I go to 5-minute time frame, the signals change. If I go to 1-minute time frame, again, the signals change. Look at this. I get more signals because the time frame is smaller. I mean, it really makes sense. That's why I'm saying 50 minutes, 30 minutes, they're really good. Look at this clean signal here. Although it was kind of opposite the trends, but if I wanted to take it here, my stop loss would be 77 pips on 30 minutes time frame, and my TP would be 130 pips. So I would say the accuracy of this indicator is over 80%. Easily over 80%, and you can put it on Euro USD, on GBP USD, on Aussie CAD, USD CAD, whatever that you want to. So let me just quickly show you how it works on Euro USD. It's gonna blow your mind because this is what we traded most of the times. I'm gonna show you the results as well. You can see the results right here, and here we are, Euro USD, 15-minute time frame, and there are quite a lot of signals because it was in the range. And if you know a little bit of the basics of Forex, then you can easily identify when to take your trade. But this video is a very, very short form of this indicator explanation. But in the next videos, I'm going to show you exactly how I personally use it. But let me just go to this section. I'm going to go to custom period. Today's date is January 22nd. So I'm going to show you the results from 10th to 22nd. And show exactly what's going on. So as you can see, guys, we made $1,239 in profit, and we mostly traded USD, Swiss franc, and Euro USD. It's up to you. We'll give you the best pairs to trade with, the best time frames. Everything will be given to you, because if you just want to do it yourself, there's going to be so many options, so many time frames, so many pairs, and you get confused. But that's how on very, very low risk, on a $100,000 account, we could make $1,239. That's why a lot of people are asking, can I pass a profit challenge with it? Of course you can. If you properly manage your risk, you can definitely do that. And I'm going to give you a gift as well. So when you grab your license for Alpha Incubator, I'm going to give you Profit Mastery Incubator free of charge. What is Profit Master Incubator? It's an automated risk to reward and lot size calculator. I'm going to show you here. So that's Profit Master Incubator EA, and the only thing you need to do is just to put it on your, drag and drop it on your screen, go to input, and you can see automatic lot here. Just activate it here, and you can literally tell this EA how much you're willing to risk per trade, and it automatically calculates the lot size for you. Imagine you're a scalper and you want to quickly jump into the trade, and you want to manually calculate the stop loss and TP and your risk reward and everything. How long do you think it takes you? Isn't that annoying as a scalper? So that can help you. Go to activate, automatic lot, activate it, and you say that, okay, I want to risk 1% per trade. 1% per trade. Manual lot is deactivated because we activated automatic lot. Percentage 1%, click OK. As you can see, guys, Profit Master Incubator is on it. So sell, buy, and I'm also showing you how it works. So for example, let's say that this is the most current sell signal, and I'm going to take a sell, and it's 1% per risk, depending on my stop loss position. If I click sell, you see, guys, let me just drag it here, that I can have my entry right here. It's my pending order, it's my sell stop, and what's going to happen is that I'm going to drag my stop loss to wherever I want, and according to that, it's going to change the lot size for me. So if I have my stop loss right here, it means that my lot size should be 4 in order to risk 1% of my capital. Isn't that amazing? And let's say I want to put my TP right here. So it's a 1 to 1.5. It's a 1.5 risk reward. If I want to go for 1 to 2, it's going to be right here. See, everything is automatically calculated, and I click OK. As you can see, the position is open. So it's a sell stop position, guys. And if it literally hits my TP, executes my order, I know that I'm not risking more than 1%. That's the beauty. I'm not stressed out. I just leave it. I have the signals, I analyze the market a little bit. It's not 24/7. You get the signal, you analyze it. Okay, should I take this one, or I gotta wait until for the next one? Because as I said, in the next videos, I'm going to show exactly how I personally use this indicator that gives me the best results, and I'm not jumping into every single signal it gives me. Okay, that's my gift to you. If you want to grab your license, I'm also going to give you this EA 100% free of charge. So I highly recommend you to join our Telegram channel, guys. You can see the link down in the description below. There's so many things going on a daily basis that you don't want to miss out. So many results, from passing challenges, Turbo Gold Incubator results, which is an expert advisor that works on live accounts, personal accounts, and the challenges we pass, Alpha on the Incubator, daily signals. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I highly recommend you to join the channel. You're gonna love it for sure. If you have any question, leave your comment below this video. I'll personally get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and let's make some money.